The thing that I find most fun about the Stevens Band would definitely be the competitions that we go to.
Personally, it would have to be the marching competitions, because the thought of performing a show to thousands of people from different parts of the state and bands from different parts of the state just makes me want to do my best and have fun with it.
The competitions, obviously, but a lot of people see that. But I mean, I get where they're coming from. You spend 24 hours of the day with your band family, and then you take a 2 a.m. trip to Buc-ee's.
2 a.m. trip to Buc-ee's.
It sounds tiring, but it's an accomplishment to say you did that.
I've gotten to also be able to participate in other things while still being in the band. I was able to participate in homecoming court, and everything's just been so great. Everybody's nice, the students, the band directors. It's a really rewarding experience.
One of the funnest experiences in band has to definitely be marching performances, because I know that when we finally play on that field, that is the product of our hard work, our determination, and our passion.
If you think band is fun now, wait till you get to Stevens. Football games, competitions, social events like potlucks and band banquet at the end of the year are all things you get to look forward to when you come to Stevens. There's a friend for everyone, and we call ourselves a band family. Some advice that I would give an 8th grader coming into high school would be to just let loose and have fun. Coming to high school may be an overwhelming experience at first, but I promise if you just remember to always have fun, it'll be one of your most memorable experiences.
Everyone is inviting and we all don't mind talking or answering questions.
Just be yourself, have fun, be you, be true. Because if you're not any of those, then high school is not going to be the experience that you want it to be.
It's not that difficult to make friends. It's fairly easy to find a group of people that find music passionate or find other things passionate that you find passionate. Band is a very uplifting community that many people find support in, whether it be musically or socially. It's just a group of people, a group of students, a group of kids your age that have the same passion about music and that want to pursue something with it.
I would say one of the best things that being in the Stevens Band has taught me would be how to fall in love with music and how to fall in love with making music, and how important it is to keep on making music and keep on developing that as you go forward. The things that I had learned here about making music and about enjoying it, about really listening and understanding what's going on, that's going to help me so much in the future to be able to have new ideas, make new ideas, make new things, write new music. All of that, it really helps me to think outside of the box with everything all the time.
The Stevens Band has taught me that there is more than just a band. It's a collection of high school students that get together and make friendships that could last even out of high school and into college. And it could be with one person or even a group of people, and they connect through the idealism of music in their hearts, and they produce music that the whole community can hear and that they love at football games, or they produce a show that could be judged, and the feeling that they get whenever they make finals is just something that you can't express into words.
Being in the Stevens Band has taught me a number of things, but the most notable to me and the most significant to me has been that once you go into high school and once you join the Stevens Band, there's just such a nice, helpful community.
As always, just to be appreciative of having a good team and good musicians along my side, and as well as teaching you to be a better person overall, and having good musicianship. Not only having good musicianship, but also being able to communicate as a family and love each other as a family, as well as celebrate good times with each other.
Hi, incoming freshmen. My name is Barbara LeBron. I'm the head counselor here at Stevens High School, and I want to welcome you to our school. I'm really excited to hear about all the classes you're choosing for next year, including band. We really want to encourage you to participate in courses and programs on our campus that get you involved. So any way we can help, we'd love to. Barbara LeBron, head counselor at Stevens. Go Stevens Falcons.
Hello, future Falcons. My name is Ryan Pertell. I'm the principal of Stevens High School. Just want to take a minute to, if you're checking out this open house, that you're interested in being a part of our band here at Stevens High School. I want to tell you that you can't pick a better opportunity to be a part of high school marching band. Our band combines a high expectation for excellence, but also creates a really positive environment that fosters growth in leadership and a lot of different things. So you're heading down the right path if you're here checking this out. But I just want to let you know that beyond band, Stevens is a great place to be. We offer a lot of things to students here, whether you are interested in band or a bunch of the other fine arts that we have. We have the largest fine arts program in all of Northside ISD. But we also offer a lot of other things. You want to learn how to cook? You can be a part of our really strong culinary arts program. You want to learn how to build a robot or work on a car or learn construction trades? We can provide you with that. If you want to learn how to do audio video production, where you're making videos and editing videos, we have all of that here. We have lots of college credited courses that students can sign up for to try to get as many college credits as they possibly can. So we have a lot of opportunities at Stevens High School and think that it's a great place to be.
Hello, my name is James Matrolka and I'm the Director of Fine Arts in Northside ISD. I want to congratulate all of the middle school band students from Pease and Vale Middle Schools and your parents for your continued connection to music education. I also want to encourage you as you begin looking at your 4 years of high school coursework to consider becoming a member of the John Paul Stevens Falcon Band. It's a very special band community, a great culture that is designed to make sure that every student has a home. Instruction is differentiated, it's highly visible, and it has a phenomenal high school band instruction team. The team is led by head band director John Dominguez, who's visionary and very progressive. So I wish all of you the very best as you consider your high school coursework. And please remember that everything that's done in music education develops skills that go with you for life in whatever career choices that you make. Wishing each one of you all the best.